We are gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments, to give recognition to the worth and beauty of love, and to add our best wishes and blessings to the words which will unite Katie and Miguel in marriage.
Fields of grass beneath
Katie is the most genuine, dependable, generous, and loving person that I've had the joy to grow alongside. But most of all, she is someone who shows up for the people she loves, whether they want it, need it, or ask for it.
I've seen the stars on the ocean.
I like to simply say that my fondest memories involve laughing with friends, and Miguel is the clear epicenter for me, brightening the room with his enthusiasm and encouragement for us to make the best of every moment.
I've heard the songs of summer singing.
I'm so grateful to stand here before you in front of our family and friends as we continue our journey together, not simply as partners, but now as husband and wife.
Something around the corner, something more.
Katie, I promise to always be by your side, to put our relationship first as we go through the journey of life together. I love you, Kathleen Roseanne Richards, and I cannot wait to grow our family and to grow old together.
Shine so bright.
My heart is just bursting with joy and gratitude that in a few minutes I'll be your wife. And I promise to be your forever partner and confidant. And I can't wait to see what the coming chapters have in store for us. I love you to the moon and back forever and ever.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
With the promise to love you today, tomorrow, always and forever.
By the power of your love for one another, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Miguel, you may kiss your bride.
Around the corner, something more to be found. And I'm sure the
Katie, you are getting someone who is going to be the person that you can run to when you have your problems. Miguel, welcome to the family.
New York sky shines so bright, but to tell
We loved Miguel from the minute we met him, and he's been part of our family long before tonight. And we're just so happy to have you all here to celebrate the two of them. So thank you so much for coming tonight. We're so happy to have you here.
somewhere far above.
Miguel and Katie balance each other out in such an effortless and beautiful way. Miguel is patient, he's loyal, he's goofy, and he's kind. But best of all, he loves Katie the way that she loves him, without boundaries, limitations, or conditions.
100 worlds I could get lost in.
Katie, thank you for being my first enemy, my first friend, and for giving me my first and last brother. I love you both, and I can't think of a better match. So cheers, I love you both.
Something around the corner, something more to be found. And I'm sure
I'm overjoyed that you'll always be there for each other and share countless good times together. Cheers to Miguel and Katie Corzo.
New York sky shines so bright, but to tell you the truth.
To Miguel, I hope you treasure going old with her as much as I treasured growing up with her. I wish you a lifetime filled with adventure, joy, and so much love. Cheers.
Honey, I just want